Hello everyone and welcome to another video of C++. Today we're going to be showing you how to declare integer variables with and then showing strings with them in the cout process. So today, like the comment says, food processing program. To comment is just something that's not compiled that you can leave notes for yourself, and they're just 2 forward slashes. So let's start by including #include bracket IO stream, and then using namespace std. And then we're going to make the function main int main, and then we're going to make the brackets for the function return 0. So with this, we set up, like the last time, we set up the include, the std for the namespace, and our function main, which you always need to run a program. You always need a main function. So right now, what we can do is we can do int carrots, and then semicolon. And then this is a declared integer variable. And then we can set this variable. So now that we initialized it, we declared it, and we can set the variable to 25. And then we can do cout I have, and then we're gonna just space and then just do that here, and then we're gonna do another cout carrots, and then sorry. So with that, we can do a cout and just do carrots. And then and then what we can do is I have blank, and we can do a insertion again, carrots. And then we could do carrots. And then we can do a insertion again, std and l. And with that, we inserted the carrot into the cout, and what it's going to do is it's going to grab this integer, the 25, and convert it to a string to show us. So if we load the program up, oh, hold on, we got to do system pause. And we load this up again, it'll say 25, I have 25 carrots. So because we did the first one, it converted it to a string. Oops, converted to a string. And then the cout carrots have at that point, you'll have 25. So with that, that's how you add other variables into the cout functions in C++. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys liked, please comment, subscribe, and yeah, thanks guys, bye.